The HyperDrive Next Portable 40Gbps SSD offers impressive transfer speeds, allowing for a seamless workflow with its capability of up to 3,800 megabits per second. Designed to accommodate various M.2 NVMe SSD sizes, this enclosure supports top-performing PCIe Gen 4 and Gen 3 SSDs for enhanced speed and efficiency. Installation is a breeze with the HyperDrive's tool-free design, enabling quick and easy snap-in installation for immediate use. Boasting an IP55 rating, this SSD enclosure is resistant to both water and dust, ensuring durability in diverse environments when the silicone protective sleeve is used. Constructed from 100% recycled aluminum, the HyperDrive combines eco-friendly materials with advanced performance, making it a sustainable choice for tech enthusiasts. This portable SSD enclosure is perfect for those who need reliable performance across different operating systems, including compatibility with Windows 10, macOS 12.4, and PlayStation 5.